If you've ever felt stressed looking at your bank account, if you've wondered where all your money goes each month, or if the word budget makes you want to run away, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a dead simple budgeting system that takes less than 10 minutes to set up and actually works in real life. No complicated spreadsheets, no restrictive rules, just 3 steps that will give you complete control over your money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where your money's going, and more importantly, you'll tell it where to go instead. Let's dive in. Here's the truth about budgeting that nobody tells you. Most budget systems fail because they're too complicated. You're not bad with money, you just haven't found the right system yet. The method I'm sharing today is called the Pay Yourself First system, and it's helped thousands of people finally take control of their finances. It works whether you make $30,000 or $300,000 a year. Step 1, know your numbers. Before you can control your money, you need to know 3 numbers. First, your monthly take-home income. This is what actually hits your bank account after taxes, not your salary, your real spendable income. Second, your fixed expenses. These are bills that stay the same every month. Rent, car payment, insurance, and subscriptions. List them all out. Third, your variable expenses. This is everything else. Groceries, gas, entertainment, eating out. Look at your last 2 months of bank statements and find the average. Now add your fixed and variable expenses together. Subtract that from your income. This number, what's left over, is either your problem or your opportunity. If it's negative, we'll fix that. If it's positive, we're going to make it work harder for you. Step 2, the 50-30-20 framework. Here's where we build your actual budget. This is based on the proven 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, your fixed expenses, and essentials, things you literally cannot live without. Housing, utilities, minimum debt payments, groceries, transportation. 30% goes to wants, the fun stuff that makes life enjoyable, dining out, hobbies, entertainment, that streaming service you actually use. 20% goes to wealth, savings and debt payoff beyond minimums. This is your emergency fund, retirement contributions, extra payments on credit cards or student loans. Now, if your numbers don't fit this perfectly, don't panic. This is a target, not a rule. If your rent is eating up 40% and you can only save 10%, that's your starting point. We're going to improve from here. The key is this: pay your wealth bucket first. Set up an automatic transfer the day after you get paid. Even if it's just $50, automate it. You cannot budget what you don't see. Step 3, track and adjust. Here's where most people quit, but not you. Tracking doesn't mean writing down every coffee purchase. It means doing a 5-minute check-in once a week. I recommend 3 simple tools: a budgeting app like Mint, YNAB, or EveryDollar. Pick one, doesn't matter which. A simple spreadsheet, or just your bank app and a notes file. Every Sunday, check in. Did I stay within my categories? Where did I overspend? Where did I do great? Here's the secret. Your budget will be wrong the first month, and that's perfect. Month 2, you'll adjust. Month 3, you'll refine. By month 4, you'll have a system that actually fits your life. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. If you overspend in one category, you adjust another. Your budget is a living document. Now, this is just one approach that many people find helpful. Your situation might be different, so take what works for you and leave the rest. 3 mistakes that kill budgets. Mistake number 1, making it too restrictive. If you give yourself $0 for fun, you'll blow it up in 2 weeks. Build in realistic wiggle room. Mistake number 2, forgetting irregular expenses. Car registration, holiday gifts, annual subscriptions, these sneak up on you. Add a sinking fund category for these. Mistake number 3, quitting after 1 bad month. One overspending week doesn't mean the system failed. It means you're human. Adjust and keep going. So here's your action step. Pause this video, grab your last bank statement, and calculate those three numbers I mentioned: your income, your fixed expenses, your variable expenses. Then decide what's the one category you're going to improve this month. More savings, less eating out? Pick one. And if you want to build real wealth beyond just budgeting, subscribe, because we're covering investing, debt payoff strategies, and side hustles that actually work. Drop a comment and tell me, what's your biggest budgeting challenge? I read every single one. Let's build your path to plenty, one smart decision at a time. All right, that's it for today's video. Quick reminder, everything I share here is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't personalized advice for your situation. Always do your own research and talk to a licensed professional before making any major money moves. If you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button and drop a comment with your biggest takeaway. See you in the next one.